This is the Prestige 100-piece of plastic champagne flutes, and they look beautiful. It adds a touch of class for your next event. And these are also disposable too, and perfect for weddings, birthday parties, New Year's Eve parties, holiday parties, and so much more. This is perfect for cocktails, champagne, mimosas, but also mocktails too. And this would even be ideal for dessert. And you get 100 pieces of these plastic cups and then 100 pieces of these plastic bases too. And these are disposable as well. They're also recyclable too. These are also BPA free and they're also resistant to breaking and shattering too. This is perfect for large gatherings at homes or at a banquet hall too. I received this from Prestige to evaluate and I think they're great. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Cheers!